Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have Viking wheelbarrow brushes. So I'll give you kind of an idea. There are two in here. So you get a lower pile and then a higher, fluffier pile, I guess. So first thing you do is let them soak in a bucket. Get some water on your wheel. So you can see the before. Then we'll use the bigger brush and just get into all those little areas to clean. And I get all that brake dust out. Even great for cleaning the tires. All right, let's rinse that clean. And what a big difference. Nice and clean. And we got some spots we got to touch up on, but what a great wheel brush set. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.